Hello, how are you today? Okay, so I have some exciting mail to open. I should have opened this yesterday and I'm a day late and I feel really terrible. And Isabel is the most wonderful person on the planet. Love you bunches. She is my bestie. I adore her. I adore you, Isabel. And look, it's the logo that Salty Beach Scrapper made for her. It is fabulous. I love it, Isabel. Absolutely wonderful, wonderful labels. So she has sent me some super duper happy mail and I'm very excited to open this. And I'm going to pause here and I will open the box and we can see what's inside, okay? And just so you know, Isabel and I are such super duper good friends that we're recycling the same box over and over, I think. So thank you, girl. I appreciate it. Okay, let me get this open. It is not the same box because I see some stickers on it from someone else. So everyone purchases from Amazon and has Prime. Is that correct? Do all crafters have Amazon Prime? My goodness. Oh, gorgeous tissue paper. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, thank you. Oh, look. Oh, she sent me a card. Okay. Oh, my goodness. Oh, this gorgeous card from our collaboration. She made a bunch of awesome projects, so please go over to the Shabby Hippie and check out all of the videos that we did during the collaboration. Thank you, Isabel. I agree 100% that for all of the negative that happened, that you were 100% a positive. Thank you so much, hun. And yes, hopefully someday we will get to meet and I would give you a big old hug right back. Okay, so look at this. Oh my gosh, there's a cute, oh my gosh, Isabel. Aw, this little guy. Oh, look. Oh, she made, here's the little box she made following my probably weird tutorial, but you know, I'm trying. Oh, look how cute. It's here and she has filled it. Ooh, she has filled it with some flowers. Oh, and what are these stickers? Oh, thank you. Oh my gosh, look at the lovely stickers. Yay. Oh, thank you, Isabel. And here's the flowers. I love the box. It's so precious. Here's the lid with a gorgeous poinsettia on it and her lace trim. It's gorgeous. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Isabel. You make my millennium. And this adorable bag. Oh, what's in here? Oh my goodness. Oh, we have to untie it. How cute. Oh, that is a clever way to do it. Am I in shot? I'm not even looking through the camera because I wanna see everything. What's in here? Oh, what a cute bag. Oh, thank you, hun. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see. They are bows. What are these? How pretty. Oh my gosh, these are fantastic. Look, they're little like pennants or, you know, a rosette. They'll be perfect on a rosette. Oh my gosh. And they're perfect by themselves. Love these. Oh my gosh, these are fantastic. I love these. And there's even more in the package. Oh my gosh, thank you, Isabel. And I love your bag. I love this adorable bag and the the, it's almost like a shoelace trim. It's lovely. I love it. Super cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, and I put that back in there. So cute. And it's a boot. Oh my goodness. How cute this stocking. What's in here? Oh, wow. What is this? Oh my gosh, this is going to be a super long video. These are little teeny tiny little doilies. Am I wrong? Nope. Let's see. There is something in here. Let's see. Oh, because you know, I'm challenged at coming to open this stuff. Oh, look. Oh, wow. Thank you. Little Charles, there's a little spoon. Oh, I'm like enthralled with the little doily. Thank you, Isabel. Oh my goodness, that is just too cute. And oh my gosh, that is the cutest little pouch bag. I cannot get over how little they make stuff these days. I am all into the tiny, because, you know, I'm short. 5'1", 5'1.5", somewhere in there. I'm probably shrinking. Yes. Oh. What is this? It's a privacy stamp. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Oh. Oh, I didn't even have that in shot. Oh my gosh. Look at how cute this is, guys. And it's a little X-Acto knife. And does it open? And it is a privacy stamp. What? What? That is the coolest thing ever. Oh, that's adorable. I'm so cute. He's so cute, Isabel. Ah! It's adorable. The little kawaii person. I love it. Now, Isabel, I went a little bit more like Valentine's-y with yours for some reason, but I just have so much fun making stuff and going, oh, I want to send this to Isabel. Oh my goodness. How cute is this? She is very good at the packaging. A beautiful doily. Isabel is my doily hookup because she always seems to send me doilies and I appreciate it. Oh my gosh, I used them all up already. How cute is this? Oh my goodness. It's some, you know, like almost like glassine paper. And a beautiful little washi. Oh, wowzers. Thank you. Beautiful lace. Oh, how cute. She's got a little quilt pin holding it together. And I love the tag. Oh my gosh, Isabel, thank you so much. Believe me, I'm going to take everything back out and just drool over it. So it'll be embarrassing. You guys don't want to see that. Maybe you, no, you don't. You don't. Know it. Oh, how cute. Oh, she sent me tags. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You said you didn't send me any die cuts. That you didn't have time. You're so wonderful, Isabel. I love you. I know, I get a little dramatic. You know. But. Oh, wow. I have a new camera set up, guys, so hopefully I won't keep bumping the camera. I love this. Thank you. Oh, my goodness. Look at these. She sent me a bunch of gorgeous, like holographic, sparkly. Did you stickle these? Oh my gosh, it's probably stickles. Oh, so beautiful. And some little tags. Awesome. And I love this bird cage. So some of this will be perfect for Valentine's. Yes, I will use for Valentine's Day. So cute. Thank you. I know. Do you guys want impressions? Is that something that's going to drive you away or make you want to watch my videos all the way through to the end? Because I will do some weird impressions. Especially since I'm by myself, talking to myself, pretending you're here in the room with me. How else can you make a video if you don't act like, you know, you guys are right here with me? Because it would be weird, right? If I didn't act a little bit more natural, like you're here. But I don't know. I'm starting to get into the YouTube thing. And have you guys been enjoying your January? It is the middle of January. It is Sunday. This month is just moving right along. I cannot believe it. We got rain and now it's snowing again, and I am really struggling to put these back in. So let's move on to something else before I mess those up. And oh my gosh, you sent me socks. Have I been showing you my feet on film? Is this a hint? No. Oh wow, Isabel. Aw, looky. Oh my gosh, that's pretty. Ooh. Very pretty. Oh my goodness, thank you. Recollections. Oh, it's washi. Lovely, lovely washi. And how you made these, right? Oh my gosh, how cute is that? Absolutely adorable. What is inside? Oh, thank you. I still haven't found my yarn. I misplaced my velour yarn. Oh, thank you so much, Isabel. And I do use a lot of white background white cardstock for my background, because that's just me. Don't know why. I guess because I think I'm gonna coffee diet or do something, and I haven't done that yet. This is so cute, Isabel, and you had the cutest idea. Oh my god, that's so adorable. Oh, it's so cute. Okay. And wowzers. Oh my gosh. I love that. Thank you so much. Perfect for Valentine's Day. Aw. Thank you. I love these socks. Ooh, very nice. Thank you very much. How are we doing on time here? I charged my phone up. Oh, Isabel, how cute. This is adorable. Oh my, he's got a little belly button. This is a little reindeer, and he's got a little belly button. How cute. This is so cute. OMG, he is adorable. Oh, wow, I love him. So cute. I don't care, all year long, he's gonna sit there and be my little buddy. Oh, beautiful rosette. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I love the paper too. Oh, wow. This is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I love the angels. And they're singing, "Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King." Oh my gosh, ooh, what's in here? Oh, there's something in here. Oh my goodness. Okay, wait. Let's do this. Okay, you know what? Let's pause and do this as a 2-part video, okay? Let's pause here. Oh my gosh, Isabel, you just... Thank you so much, hun. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Okay. Ah, look at the train. Okay, let's pause here, and I'm going to make this 2 parts because my video is going to take forever to upload. Thank you so much for watching this first part of my unboxing from Isabel, the Shabby Hippie. And I will be back and do part 2. Okay, bye guys. Thank you so much, and I will see you in a bit.